Now, if you'd have asked me a few weeks ago what an SVG file was, I would have probably said it's a versatile vector-based image file that doesn't distort when you scale it. Well, they can be that, but they can also be much more than that. This file, for example, if we open it in Inkscape, we get this. But if we open it in a browser, we get this. What kind of sorcery is this? Let's try this again. Opened in Inkscape, it looks like this. Opened in a browser, it's a totally different ballgame. Now, I knocked up these animations very quickly in a software called Friction, which I talk about in another video. This next SVG is a bit different. In Inkscape, this looks like a normal SVG image. But once opened in the browser, you can see this doesn't only animate, it is also interactive. So, to be candid, these interactive SVGs I'm showing in this video were generated by AI. Again, in Inkscape, it looks like a normal vector image, but it's obviously more than that. In this animated SVG, you can pause the motion of the ball. You can use the color picker to change the color of the ball. And you can toggle the rain on and off. There is a lot more to SVG than what I first realized, and I've not even really shown the coding side. I will probably show more about that in another video, but until then, goodbye and thanks for watching.